Hey guys, Tom Fernandez here, and I'm going to show you quickly, guys, how to create a quick, edited 1 minute video for Instagram. Instagram is a great tool that you can use for your business where you put videos. Now, on your main post on Instagram, the limit for videos is 1 minute. If you put a longer video, and typically, Instagram has a link where they can go watch the full video. But what I like to do is I like to post 1 minute educational videos where I give people 2 or 3 tips in less than a minute. So I'm going to give you the steps on how I do that. Step one is, as you can see here on my screen, create a 1 minute video where you're giving some quick tips. As you can see here in the video, I'm going to play the video. This content goes to about 59 seconds. Once you add your content, make it very precise, make it very clean. The next step is I use a tool called Inshot. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. So when I go to Inshot, I go to video, click on video, and I add a new video. So when I click on there, I click on the video that I just recorded, and here it pops up on the screen. Now on the left here it says canvas. I can change the size of this video to suit whatever platform I'm using. So for example, I'm using social media here, so I'm going to use the Instagram one by one ratio. The cool thing is it leaves this little white space at the top. So now that my video is on here and I got the size, the second step is I want to add some text to draw some attention. So in here I'm going to put this video I talked about habits. I'm going to put the power of habit, and I then take once you click on the text button, it allows you to type whatever you want. You can even change the color. So I can go here and I can say, I want my text to be white. And then you can add a border. As you can see here, I have a border of black. I can change that border to red if I want. That's the outlining of the actual text. But let's leave it on black for now. All right, so once I'm done with that, I can take that and move it up here. And let's say I didn't like this text. I wanted a different text. You have various texts to choose from. I happen to like this text, so I'm going to leave it alone. So you leave that there, and then you can adjust the size. Once you tap on it, you can make it as big or as small as you want. So I added some at the top. The second step is, once you're still in the text, you want to click on as you can see here on the bottom on my timeline. I can make this last longer. So I want this to last the whole video. Sometimes when you add text, you can have it appear for a few seconds and then it's gone. But for this video, I want it for the whole 1 minute, because that's it, that's how a lot of Instagram videos catch attention, is the word. The second thing I'm going to do now that I have the top is I want to put some text at the bottom, and I'm going to put pertaining to the topic, and it's going to be the same text, habit loop. So now I have text at the top, text at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and stretch out the text so that it shows and appears on the screen for the entire video, for the entire 1 minute. I like using InShot for quick, 1 minute or less videos. It's an easy way to edit quick videos. Now that I've done this, sometimes, not all the time, I like to add, some music. So I go to music, and then what I like to do is look at the tracks. I have some music myself that I've downloaded, but they have their own. They have different tracks and things that you can use. Um, I've used all of these before, but I'm gonna go with some of my own music. Let's see. So I'm just going through kind of my music to see what I like the best. So I'm gonna use this. Then I'm gonna go to make sure that, because the music's kind of long, tap on the music to cut it short, and I'm gonna split it, and then I'm gonna delete the end. When you add music, you want to make sure that it once the music is kind of done, it fades out. So you just hit your fade here for about 1 second. So that means 1 second before the video is over, it's gonna start to fade and quiet out. And then you change the volume. So it's obviously it's really high now. Go to about 10, about 11, about 9%. You don't want it to be too loud, and then you test it out.
Hey guys, this is Tom
So it's not
Fernandez, and today I'm going
overpowering
to
my
give you some
voice.
tips and
All right.
elements of habit.
So now that I have that, I scroll to the end of the video, And at the end of my video, I like to put stickers. Stickers are, for people to share it. It's for, you can add whatever type of stickers you want in here, but I like to put stickers for people to do something, for people to like, share, like, and then follow. I always put that because this is an Instagram video, so I want to make sure that if people come across this video, that they decide they want to follow me. All right, and I'll put the heart too to add some. So what happens is towards the end of my video, these are gonna pop up. I'll give you an example. So I'm talking at the end of my video, and then boom, they all pop up. Boom. So once I'm done with that, I just kind of go through and make sure everything looks good. Go through my text, make sure all that's well, make sure that the video looks good. At the top here, top right corner, you hit save, and then what happens is the video starts to produce. It sometimes takes anywhere from a minute or two to go through. Alright, video's produced. Here at the top, it asks me where do I want to share it. I have different options. Obviously, I'm doing this for Instagram. You can do it to your story or to your feed. Warning, if you add it to your story, it's going to be chopped up. Looks good here. I like it here still. I don't have to add any filters. And I put the power of habit. And then I'm going to put, in quotations, habit loop, because that's what I was talking about. And then here at the bottom, just add a few hashtag habits. It'll recommend some for you. And then I'm going to actually put the power of habit because it is a book that I was talking about. All right. Once I'm done, sometimes I add a location. It asks you if you want to share it to any other social media. For now, this is just for Instagram. Hit the share button. All right. Once it's posted, this is how it looks. Boom. And that's how it is to add a 1-minute edited video to Instagram that provides some tips and some value so that you can start gaining traction, getting likes and followers on Instagram. If this video was helpful, feel free to get our free training. It's 10 days of leads. Click on the description area below if you're watching this on YouTube, and there's a link that's 10 days of leads where every day I'll send you a different content tip, a different way that you can generate leads on social media. As always, your success is important to me, guys, and if you're watching this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time we post videos like this. Thank you, guys.